Hi, it's Joe. Welcome to another episode. This is $300 worth of plants. I bought it from Succulent Asia, which is in Indonesia. I ordered it on March 25th and today's date is April 26th. So it took about 1 month to get it. It looks like it needs certain amount of time for drying the plants. The actual shipment began on April 18th, so it only took about 8 days of shipment. Anyway, during transit, this box was opened twice. First, it looks like it was opened in Indonesia by the Indonesian Agriculture Quarantine Agency, and when it arrived in US, it was inspected by the US Customs and Border Protection. So I ordered 6 plants and 1 was free. There should be 7 plants in here. I hope nothing is missing. Let's have a look. Okay, let's open the box. So this plant is Sansevieria masoniana variegated. So this was the plant that was free. Okay, this is Sansevieria spider variegated. This was the most expensive plant. It is $150. It was my first time looking at this plant in their website. I never seen this in other websites or stores. Okay, the next plant is Sansevieria masoniana mediopic. It's kind of folded like this. Yeah, I hope it will unfold later. Let's see. There's some imperfection here. And this one is Sansevieria pinguicula variegated. So this is my first pinguicula that has a variegation. Yeah, so excited. This one is a hybrid between pinguicula and donglas. I don't know much about donglas, but I'm a fan of the pinguicula plant, so I bought this. This is Sansevieria samurai, variegated dwarf version. Yeah, it's actually smaller than the one that I have. And the last one is Sansevieria maya. Yeah, I don't know much about this plant, but it looked like it was unique and I was curious about it, so I bought it. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So no plant was missing. I'm glad that I received all the plants I ordered. Okay, let's unwrap these and take a closer look. Okay, I unwrapped every plant. Overall, it looks healthy. Let's see if I can remember all those names. So this is Sansevieria spider. It's very unique, right? Half of the leaf is kind of variegated and half is green. It's very unique. Yeah, I like this one. And this is Sansevieria pinguicula variegated. It is mostly yellow in color. It is my first pinguicula that has variegation in my collection. Yeah, I'm glad to add this to my collection. And this is Sansevieria maya. It's very small and cute. Let's see how this grows. And this is Sansevieria samurai. This is actually my second one, but this has a variegation on it. But it has less variegation than I expected, and it looks like it needs some water. And this one is a hybrid between pinguicula and donglas. Yeah, let's also see how this grows in the future. And the other two are Wilfins. This one is Sansevieria masoniana mediopic, and it has white variegation on it. Very interesting. And this is the plant that I got for free. They offered that if you buy a certain amount of plants, that they'll give this plant. So I got it since I bought $300 worth of plants. It looks healthy. It looks like it needs water. It seems like it kind of suffered during transit. Okay, let's pot these today and see how they look. Okay, let's start with the Sansevieria Masoniana Mediopic. That looks nice. Now let's do the Sansevieria Masoniana Variegated. Okay, the willow fins are done. Now let's do the small ones. I'll go first with the Pinguicula Variegated. The colors are really beautiful. It looks really nice. Okay, that looks nice. I kind of let the stilt roots stay a little bit above the surface soil. You don't have to do like this, but personally I think it's more visually appealing if you expose the stilt roots like this. Okay, now let's continue with the Sansevieria Spider. It's the most expensive one among these plants. Okay, the spider is done. This plant is so unique. Half white and white green leaves. Looks very nice. And the other ones, I'm gonna put them in this terracotta pot. This pot is kind of shallow, only about 2 inches, maybe 2.5 inches. Yeah, it looks perfect for succulents. Okay, let's do the samurai. Okay, the last one is the hybrid. Okay, the final one is also done. Okay, this is the final look. Now I have to figure out where to put them. Okay, I put the Pinguicula Variegated here. It is one of the best spots where it can get good amount of light from multiple grow lights. And I put the Sansevieria Spider in front of the east facing window. Let's see how that does. And I put the small ones on this shelf here and another shelf here. And I put the whale fins on the floor like this. One is here and the other one is there on the corner. All these plants are getting light from this grow light stand here. Although it doesn't get a lot of natural sunlight, it gets good amount of light. And they are all doing well.